could actually think that you are somewhere in Italy, Spain or Greece, because it's hot. The cicadas sing, you got sailing boats out, and most importantly of all, you have olive groves and vineyards. Olive groves and vineyards and hills. So I mean, you know, this could be Italy, this could be Tuscany. Eric, can you remember Tuscany? Walking the Via di Francesco from Florence to Rome. The first 2 or 3 days we had this kind of landscape. Olive groves and vineyards. As I've said in another video, Waiheke Island, which is this one here, is New Zealand's prime wine producing area, and this is because the farmers here somehow managed to match the weather, which is similar, I guess, to the Mediterranean. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Almost ready to be harvested, I guess. Red ones, green ones. Wow. That will be a plentiful harvest. Look at this. Yep. They managed to match the weather with the soil the wine needs, the grapes needs, the plants need, and apparently they succeeded. I don't know whether they changed the soil or whether they just added some stuff from the Mediterranean soil. No idea. But usually it's supposed to have lots of minerals. Look at this. Wow. Well, the grapes is not yet. There's not yet anything on the plants, I think. But I think the olives should be ready soon.